Greetings everybody, this is Stefan, SYGTECH is here. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick one. So a company reached out, so they asked me to review this interesting product. It's a window camera. So let's see actually how to attach it to your window, see the specs. Also comes with the app. As you can see, it's a Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. Also, it's a 5 GHz as well. Motion detection. We have a sound detection, night vision. It's a 2K, a 3 megapixel camera. Also, this is some of the specs under behind. So as you can see, comes with the app for iOS and Android. So let's unbox it. Let's see actually what the box contains inside and all the attachments. Okay, so let's see what's inside. If you need some support, you obviously can contact the company, and this is the email address and also the website. So what we have here inside, so we have a quick start guide with the iOS and Android, I believe, QR codes. We have user manual for the actual camera, as you can see. It's quite chunky. We have another card, thank you card. This is the actual camera. Let me just leave it on the side. Let's see all the contents inside. So we have a Type-C to Type-A cable. It's quite long, this is a good thing. We have some attachments. Let me put everything so you can have a look. Actually, we have so this what actually is going to the window. So you attach that with the camera. I'm going to show you. We have a small one as well. As you can see, this is actually the camera goes inside, I believe. We'll check now, we'll figure it out. Also, what else we have here? We have some attachments. See, quite a lot of attachments, okay. And I believe this is the plug. This is a UK plug. I live in UK, as you can see. It's a 3-pin one. And the start of the show, which is the actual camera. As you can see, also we have a SD card slot here on the side, and this is the Type-C adapter. So what you do basically, you plug this in, and then this needs to go to the mains, as you can see. And if I'm not wrong, this should go I think this should go like this on your window, which I'll demonstrate right now. So yeah, let's do the installation, then I'm going to show you the app. So in order to attach the camera to the window, you can choose one of the 3 included sticky attachments. I'm going to use the small one, but you can use any one that you prefer. So make sure to take this off, as you can see. And this goes to the window, so I'm going to attach it just here. Take your camera, as you can see, with the logo on the front, and this goes front here. As you can see, attaches because there's a magnet. And now we need to put our cable, we need to connect it to the mains. Now, as you can see, the camera is being plugged in. We have the cable, we have the lights. Now I'm going to show you the app, and make sure to install the app, and it's pretty straightforward. Plus sign, add the camera, add the Wi-Fi, and you'll see your camera feed in a second. As you can see, pretty straightforward. You can include a SD card to record it internally. We have a microphone here, we have a record button, so you can record internally if you want. There's some functions, some options about the cameras you can see, so you can record. If you press this button here, you'll see some other functions of the camera, motion detection. Also, I'm gonna show you a night footage at night. Also have a siren, so again, if somebody tried to get in your house from outside, this probably should notify you with a message. Different themes, you can talk if you press the microphone, so I'm gonna do a separate video for that. But pretty much this is pretty straightforward, very easy to connect, and as you can see, the feed is very nice. Outside is very sunny at the moment, but I'm going to show you different weather changes, when it's raining, when it's night, pitch black, so you can see different options with the camera. But other than that, I think it's pretty straightforward, pretty nice. Link in the description down below. If you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.